Xinshang Xiangyang Screening Machinery Manufacturing Co., Ltd. is a professional manufacturer of wire, thread inserts and their matching, installation tools. Since establishment, we have focused on this field. Located in Xinshang, Henan, we boast superior geography, convenient transportation, and great advantages. Our professional team has core technical staff, all from military factories, with CAD drawing and long-term cooperation with Taiyuan University of Technology. We have a solid foundation. We produce wire thread inserts complying with military standards GGB 119, 10119, 42001, GGB 510751102002 and national standard GBT 24425, 12445, 42009. Xianyang Machinery has passed GB T9001-2016 ISO 9001-2015 ISO TS 16949 2009 and GGB 9001C 2017 certifications with an annual output of 50 million metric inch wire thread inserts. We also supply full-range auxiliary tools, installation wrenches, bottom hole taps, break-off tools, extractors, and gauges. Our products use imported wires and high-quality special wires from Shanghai Baoshan iron and steel, including 304 hours of 2 stainless steel, Inconel X750 high-temperature alloy, Nimonic 60 nickel-based alloy, phosphor bronze, Cusson 6.5 copper alloy, and Ta2 TC4 non-magnetic titanium alloy with stable chemical composition and excellent physical properties. We hold a national invention patent for the domestically leading automatic CNC wire thread insert winding machine, equipped with precision grinders, industrial microscopes, tensile salt spray testers, and 2D measuring instruments. We produce high-quality standard products and customize non-standard wire thread inserts and tools at home and abroad as required. With 36 years of production experience, we offer customized design. Our products reach 5 hours precision, meeting military and high-end manufacturing needs. Exported to Germany, South Korea, Russia, the US, Turkey, India, etc. We have local agents worldwide and complete export qualification, CE certification, CBAM compliance. Welcome friends from all walks to visit us.